Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a question that was raised by one of our viewers, and the question is, how do we go about researching a topic that is completely new to us? But before I go ahead and dive into that, if you are new here, I'm Jyotishri. I'm a freelance content writer and a social media manager. If you want to learn more about content writing, freelancing or social media, then hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Now without any further delay, let's get started. So whenever you get a new topic, the very first and the obvious thing that is coming to your mind is go on Google and do a Google search. You take that topic, type the keyword in Google and search. So when you are doing this, you come across 3-4 really good blogs on the first page of Google, and the first thing you need to do is go through them thoroughly. So since it is a completely new topic, the idea is to educate yourself very well on this, because you are going to write it for someone who might be new to this and who is trying to understand everything just like you are. So here the idea is to provide the information in a way so that the reader can grasp it and understand it and doesn't need to go anywhere else to look for answers. So you need to educate yourself in that way so that you can answer the queries of your reader. So read the first few blogs thoroughly, and if you think you have more questions or keywords that you did not get an answer for, then look for People Also Ask. There's a section on Google called People Also Ask. There will be related questions over there. Try to look at the answers and try to go through them so that your questions are answered. Now one more thing I need to mention here, that sometimes people don't go on the second page or the third page of Google, but there are times when there are really good resources on these pages. So don't just stick to the first page on Google, go to the second and third pages and try to find answers to the questions that are coming in your mind. Now once you are done with the Google search, the next best thing is to go on YouTube. Here you get video format, which is very good for understanding things. So go on YouTube and search the topic over there, and you will come across a lot of videos on the same topic or related topics, and I would say that watch some of those videos very well and try to note down things that can help you while you are going to write. So basically you are not just learning here, but you are also taking down stuff that you can use when you are going to write. After you're done with YouTube, there are some other sites which can really give you some extra information that you might not find on Google or YouTube. These sites are Reddit or Quora. I'll put the spellings here in case you don't know. And these are some sites where people ask questions and then there are other people who answer those questions. So here you will get a lot of different point of views and a lot of answers that you will not find anywhere else. So these are some really good places to find answers or to do your research, so you can get more and more information on the topic that you know nothing about. The next way you can do research is find experts of that topic. So let's say I'm writing an article on digital marketing, and I'll try to find experts of that niche. So basically I'll try to find digital marketeers, and what I'll do is I'll go on their social media handles, their maybe LinkedIn profile or their YouTube channels or their Instagram profiles, and I'll try to find out if they have anything to say about that topic, what are their opinions, what are the different things that they are saying. That way I can even include some of the things that they have said in the article or in the piece that I'm writing. Obviously I'll give the credit to them, but including such things in your article can really make it interesting for the reader. So do go through this one. This is not something that a lot of writers follow, but I think it can make a lot of difference. Another way to go about researching a completely new topic is to interview people. I've seen this a lot on Twitter. There are writers who are maybe writing on a completely new topic, or maybe they need some information which they are not able to find on Google or anywhere else on internet. So what they do is they go on Twitter, they write the topic or the subject that they are writing on, and they basically send out this tweet that if there are people in this industry, or if there are people who have some knowledge on this, please let me know, or please send me a message, and I'd really like to interview you, or I like to talk to you about these things, so that I can gather some information and use it in my writing. So this is something that happens a lot, and they do get to speak with a lot of people, which makes the writing very unique and very different from what is already there on the social media. So if you want to go a step further, try this out, and trust me, it will work great. And the last tip that I have for today is go and listen to podcasts. There are podcasts on Apple Podcast or Spotify, or some podcasts are also available on YouTube. Try to find podcasts around the subject that you are writing, and try to listen to the podcast, because here again it's similar to interviewing people, just that you are not interviewing, someone else is, but you can hear their opinions, you can understand, as they break down things, you'll also get to understand everything, and that will reflect in your writing. So go do all these things when you get a new topic, and I'm sure you will get something new that is not already there on the internet, that will make your writing piece unique. You'll be satisfied with what you are writing, and your client will be more than happy. So that's it for today's video. That's how I do research when I get a completely new topic that I have no idea on. And if you have any questions regarding this, or if you have any other questions for me, please mention it in the comments, and I'd love to answer it in maybe the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and send in your beautiful comments. Also, if you want to connect with me on other social media platforms, I'll mention all the handles in the description box. Go and check that out. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.